Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another perfume review video. My name is Naz. This is my channel, the King of Hidden Gems. I try to bring to your attention fragrances are usually very good value for money. They smell good. They're usually under the radar. Not many people talk about them. I think at least you should do your research, try them for yourself and see if they're any good to you. So in this video I have another update for you, and this is a brand which is very obscure, very unknown, and it's almost very hard to find. I mean, in United Kingdom there's only one website you can find it from. The other places I have no idea. You have to research it, see if it comes up and how much it goes for. So this one is called, the brand itself is called Deluxe London. Sometimes called Deluxe London, sometimes called Super Fragrances, so it is a bit confusing, and also sometimes called Ahmed al-Maghribi. Who knows which one is which? My guess is that Deluxe London belongs to Super Fragrances and they ask Ahmed al-Maghribi to make it for them. So this is my guess. Anyway, so it's 100 ml Eau de Parfum. It is available in United Kingdom for under £30, and for that price, this is a super delicious perfume. It's very good. So first thing first, presentation very nice, especially for a price under £30. This is just the ticket, because you cannot beat it. You know, they give you everything. The Middle Eastern houses, they give you everything plus the kitchen sink for the price, as always. And in here is shows very apparent here. Beautiful bottle, beautiful box, everything about it shouts more than £100 plus in terms of packaging. In terms of performance, I'm very happy to say this is a very good performer. On my skin went easily over 8 hours, on t-shirt easily over 10 hours. The next day I woke up, I could still smell it very strongly. So it is very good performer. In terms of projection, I had an arm length of projection for around 3 to 4 hours, and after that slowly subside. We always have a big bubble, big cloud and a big trail. I went crazy and I put 10 sprays of it, and that was super loud. So you don't need more than maybe 6 and 7 sprays of this. As always, when you get it, if you're interested and you're going to get it, try to, you know, put few first, like maybe 4 or 5, and see if it's ample enough for you, and from there you can always increase it. In terms of ratio for what I put and what I get is ridiculously high. It's beautifully done. It's very good performance, good presentation, is a good smell to it. The smell itself reminds me of 2 fragrances very strongly. The first fragrance reminds me of, which is very quite hard to find these days, especially in many parts of the world, and that is Deluxe Ombre Noir. Deluxe Ombre Noir, yes. So this is, I would say, to my nose, around 90% close to Deluxe Ombre Noir. So if you like that perfume and you can't get it, this is a super close to it. And the other one is quite famous again, but it's widely available. At least the clone or the inspired perfumes are everywhere, and that is Angel Share by Kilian. So Angel Share, this one I would say around 60-70% similarity to Angel Share, around 80 to 90% similar to Deluxe Ombre Noir. So if you like Deluxe Ombre Noir and you've been searching for it, or you can't find it, or it's too expensive, and something like that, this is an amazing perfume that is very close to it. Age-wise, I would say 25 years and older to be on the safe side, although the DNA in here is quite friendly. It doesn't offend anybody. It's one of those DNA that majority of people will enjoy this, but because it's got complexity to it, I would say 25 years and older to be on the safe side. Gender-wise, bang in the middle, unisex. Anybody can wear it, ladies and men, no problem whatsoever in here. And in terms of occasion, this is very opulent, so it's very good for going out, special occasion, evening, close encounter, dating, going to a special ceremony and things like that. And in terms of season, this is better suited for cooler weather, but because it's got some freshness to it, you can use it all year round. The only thing is, if it's a very high heat summer, it could be a little bit cloying. So let's go to the perfume itself, the perfume itself is one of those perfume that the second you smell it, you think, yes, this is a delicious gourmand perfume. So it is quite gourmand, it's very delicious, it's very ambery, it's very spicy, it's very woody. In the same time, it's quite floral, not too much, there's a hint of floral is in here, and also to some extent it has got that vanillic hint of booziness in here, not too much. Vanilla, praline, plus what was it, praline and benzoin. So vanilla, benzoin and praline in here, plus those fruity aspect. There are some dry fruit aspect in here which I can smell, like date and raisins, so it giving it quite a sweet profile altogether. When it opens up around 7 to 8 in terms of sweetness, so it is very sweet. Later on it subsides a little bit, maybe a point or two, but it doesn't go flat, so it's always sweet. But you need to like your sweet perfumes to enjoy this. But the sweetness is done very well in here, it's grounded, it doesn't run away, it doesn't get too much, it doesn't go to the sickness level or a headache inducing level. So it's very, very well balanced with other heavy hitters in here. So this is the note breakdown according to the Super Fragrances, the website, which I think this Deluxe London belongs to. So they would say on top you have cinnamon, nutmeg and bergamot. In the mid we have dates, praline, tuberose and mohonial. In the base we have vanilla, tonka bean, benzoin, akigala wood and also amberwood. So what they're not mentioning a few things. First thing first, I'm getting a hint of saffron in here which they're not mentioning. So but it's not a big player, it's a small amount, but it goes well with other spicy aspects which are the cinnamon and the nutmeg in here. So a little bit nutty on the nutty side, and also the tonka bean in here plus that nutmeg giving it a little bit of nutty feel overall. The sweetness, as I said, is coming from the dry fruits which are dates and raisins to my nose, plus it's about a hint of tropical fruits for some reason I get as well, a little bit, not too much. And the woods are in here are quite pronounced, so it's very, very woody, but there is no oud in here. So overall this is, I classify this perfume semi fresh to semi dark. Okay, so it is not dark, but it is semi dark, so especially the dry down. The amber in here is very thick and dense and gooey and sticky and sweet and spicy amber, so you need to like this kind of amber to enjoy this. Vanilla, tonka bean, praline, benzoin and the fruits in here plus the cinnamon giving it that big sweetness in here. So it is overall quite sweet, so you need to like those kind of perfumes. The tuberose and the mohonial is basically a synthetic version of lily of the valley or lily itself, or maybe even water lily. So mohonial plus the tuberose giving it that mid softness and also a little bit of that white floral feel to it overall, but it doesn't go too much floral. You feel a hint of it in the background, but doesn't take over whatsoever. So what else? Yes, so there's a little bit of chocolatey and caramel feel to it as well. Yeah, a little bit of chocolatey feel, a little bit of caramel feel to it as well, which is adding to that gourmand aspect of it. Plus there is warmth to it overall. This perfume is quite warm, it's quite cuddly, it's quite inviting, it's quite captivating, it's quite sensual in the same time, it's quite sexy, and it is a little bit on the powdery and dusty side as well. Yeah, a little bit of dustiness, a little bit of powderiness in here as well. So if you like what I'm describing, this is a beautiful perfume, especially for a price. Absolutely, yes. This perfume smells like £100 plus perfume. Yes, I tell you that 100%, no doubt, because both Angel Share by Kilian for this size is about £300 plus, and also Lalique Ombre Noir, if you can find it these days, it's about £150 retail. but unfortunately in many countries you can't even find it. It's very, very hard to find. So this is a very good alternative to both of those. This is closer to Ombre Noir by Lalique rather than the Angel Share, because the booziness in here is toned down, although it's got a hint of booziness in here, but it's not too much booziness overall to it. So if you like what I described, if you like those two perfumes, this is a perfection in a bottle, especially for the price. You cannot beat it. Very good perfumery, very good ingredients, presentation is gorgeous, smell beautiful, performance very, very good, excellent. Everything about it, I cannot fault this perfume whatsoever. I wore it for the last 2 days and I absolutely enjoyed it to the max. Beautiful perfume. My wifey loved it, my daughter loved it. As I said, this DNA is in a way that is very friendly, and majority of people will like this perfume, unless you don't like those two perfumes I mentioned in particular, which probably this is not for you. Okay guys, that was the update for this beautiful perfume. I highly recommend it if you can find it. If you have it, if you know it, if you tried it, let us know your experience. That would be useful for others to read. If you like what I do, if you find it useful, informative, valuable, or entertaining, please don't forget to hit those buttons. This way you help me, encourage me, motivate me to bring you perfumes like this in future that nobody else is talking about. And when I say nobody else, this one is only me, and that's it on earth. Yes, if you are interested in purchasing one of my own perfumes and support me that way and get something very, very beautiful in return, you could do that. I leave them in the link, but you need to live in the United Kingdom in order to do so. They are out of this world, 100% natural, amazing value for money. They smell great. They are beast mode perfumes. I put more than 60% pure perfume oils in my perfumes, which is unheard of, and that's why they are so big, bold, and very artistic and very unique. They are like time capsule. They take you different places, different times, and they are super perfumes rather than just a simple perfume. Okay guys, thank you very much as always for watching. Thank you for your love and support, and I'll see you later. Bye.